Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. My name is Reggie. If you're new here, karibu sana. So I decided to introduce this video before I leave. I'm going to town to pick a few items. So we have officially started my bedroom makeover, and by we I mean me and Spice and everything. You can go check out her YouTube channel. I will also link it down below. So I just thought it will be a good idea to take you guys along, nionyeshe kwenye by vitu zangu za stima, and also a few things for the makeover. So thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, karibu sana. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you really enjoy me, and I will see you when I show you. So I have a dilemma. Sijui kama nitaweza kufilm tao cause where mimi ni mwenyeji lakini
Sibiri is the ghetto. So
if I will be able to film, I will try as much as possible. I document the best or the most important things. That is the place where you can buy them and the prices. Then I will do a haul after this. So my first stop was at RNG Plaza, but I didn't get what I wanted, so I went to pick a few containers and some spice jars. So I normally get my spice jar from these guys. They are at off Munyi Road, between Munyi Road and Gariza Githurai. Kuna kabarabara kadogo kanaingia hapo, so you just go with it. It is the third shop, whichever utaingililia. So the good thing about this shop is that the number indicated in each item, that is the price, so you don't have to keep asking. You can just like pick what you want, pay, then go with your item. So the next stop was at NYAMAKIMA Scent Light. So I really don't remember the building name, but if you just ask around, it's a really famous shop that sells all things electrical, and they really have a good service, and the ladies there are very willing to help and also to assist in terms of suggestion. So yeah, you can, if you are looking to like get lampshade, fans, any electrical work, bulb they have from solar to battery to like normal powering. So yeah, I also saw this cute thing that I normally see on TikTok, and it was going for 1,000 bob. So yeah, that was basically my tour at NYAMAKIMA. I was just going to pick a few lights, then head to KAMKUNJI. If I forgot to mention that all the lights that you see, the pendant lighting, the fixtures, the lowest goes from 1,500. So depending on your pocket, you can choose what you want, then you have it.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
300.
Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven is Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic,
Hi guys, so I'm back home and I'm going to show you all the things that I bought in no particular order. So this is everything that I bought, so let's unpack together. First I have this one, oh shit, ziko hivi, and you can like remove it. So the reason I bought this one ni ya kuweka tea bags. It's called a spice rack. It's called a spice rack, but I bought it for tea bags. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to mount it on the wall, but not bad. So this one was going for 350 Kamkunji, but uko kwa hokas, uko kwa barabara. So we have that one. I got these plastic hangers for the wardrobe that I'm going to make. These ones were going for 90 bob, 6 pieces. So 90 shillings, 6 pieces, 180, 12 pieces. So I just bought 6 pieces because I've not yet decided on some hanger matters. And this one also, I got it for 90 shillings. It's the long one. I don't know, this is the long one. I bought it for 90 shillings. Kamkunji uko ndani. These washing thingies, I got them for 150. A dozen goes for 300, so 6 pieces, 150 shillings. I got my alarm. I don't know if it's just clock or alarm, sikuuliza, but black in color. So hivi ndio inakaa. Let me show you. Oh, ni alarm. Hivi ndio inakaa. It's just plastic. I don't think the quality is smart, but it get the job done. So I'm trying to like wake up in the morning using alarm, but see a simu, because the moment nimefungua simu tunaenda TikTok. So I hope this one will help for now before ningie kwa system. So I love the shape. So this one was going for 300 Kenyan shillings, which I think it's a fair price. What is this? Oh yes, I think this is the most Kamkunji haul that is very random. Then I got myself a mask because I don't know mouse. Is this for? I think it's for fumes. Industrial. But I'm not breathing. This one is cute. So yeah, we got ourselves that one. This one was, I bought it for 350. Sina mask, it will really help me a lot. So we have that one for 350. Yeah. What is this? Oh, spray paint. I think personally I want to believe that supermarket and hardware, they do sell spray paint the same price. So this one was going for 300. Kuna imejaja. I don't know if you ever bought spray paint, ukishika hivi unasikianga weight ya zingine zinakonga kidogo. So this one is 300. Kuna ya 200, but it's a bit lighter than this one. So this one is gold. I will use it to do what? Gold. I hope it will serve the purpose nimenunua. And that's it. Here could have been. Then we have these two bulbs. This one was going for 250. There is a bigger one that goes for 350. Then another straight one that goes for 350. So we have warm and white, so you can pick whichever you want. I prefer to go with warm because I already have like what? I already have like warm light throughout the house. So I feel like warm, I already have white around the house, so I feel like warm, it's more aesthetic. We are going for that aesthetic. Then it's preventing Anuka. I don't know if you see what I'm going for. Where are they made? Wait a minute. Hii tuna mount aje? Najua hii inaingia hapa. Then what? Wait.
One hour
Then
later.
what? Tutajua venye tutahang. So I said this one was going for 250. I bought 2 of them. These are for the bedroom makeover that I told you guys about. Yeah, we have that one. So 2 of them. Also this one, I bought 2 of them. I'm still trying to figure out. Hii kitu inamountiwa aje? So I'm assuming. Then I put this one. I bought 2 of them. Scissors for 100 Kenyan shillings. Then this double-sided tape. This one was going for 100 bob. I was not supposed to buy like this one. So but kwenye by spray paint, I found like a guy there, a fundi mwenye amebuy mingi, nikamuuliza how is the quality of it, na laka mtu genuine. So through feedback yake, I decided to go with one and test it. So this one is 150 and I'm hoping it is the heavy duty double-sided tape. This container, so one was going for 11 bob, and so I bought 10 pieces, which is 110. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, so one was going for 11 bob, 110. A haul on my usual. This for my clock. This one was going for 100 bob, 40 bob, 50 bob moja per pair, 50 bob. So then we got glue sticks. This one they sell in NYAMAKIMA, so I don't know if I can try to separate between NYAMAKIMA and KAMKUNJI, but most of the electrical items in utaona I bought them at NYAMAKIMA. So I have a lady that I normally buy these ones. They sell for 30 bob per piece. So whenever I'm in town, I like to buy a few pieces ziketu kwa nyumba for just in case. Then I bought clips. These clips were cheaper than I expected, so a packet goes for 50 bob. And huku tunauziwa piece moja 5 bob, so you can do the math, and it's 100 pieces. And we have this also that I don't know how to connect but we'll figure out tukifika hapo. I also bought, actually that's it, and cable. That's it. That is like the whole KAMKUNJI NYAMAKIMA haul. Yeah, so these are some of the things that I'm going to use in the makeover that is coming. We had bought a few thrifted item, and now we are on the installation part. So I'm hoping this video helps. I don't know if there is anything that you need in that list, but basically that's what and this one was 35 bob. This one was 35 bob. I think it's a good key holder if you really want to test your this one, whatever this is. So yeah, This one was going for 35, but I thought it was a cute key holder. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you really enjoyed this video, I will try as much as possible to do as many hauls as I can, because I realize I do a lot of shopping, especially when I'm working on a project. So I'll try to plug you guys on where to get this item. But for now, NYAMAKIMA, and NYAMAKIMA is your place to go if you want lighting, if you want chandeliers, if you want pendant lighting. That's your place to go. So you can go subscribe my other channel for the full makeover now. But in the meantime, bye, and I will see you in the next one.